So we have a nuclear reactor. It has something fissionable, something capable of doing this in it, in this case uranium. Neutrons from that uranium hit the nuclei of other uranium atoms. They destabilise the nucleus, it falls apart, and in the process releases some of this energy and more neutrons, so it can then do this again.
And that's the trick. That's the idea of the chain reaction.
So why doesn't the power station melt down or explode?
There's a very precise amount of neutrons that are produced in each nuclear fission. And what you need for a chain reaction, a sustainable chain reaction, is exactly one of those nuclear neutrons that is released to produce fission in the next generation. And in order to do that, you basically control the amount of neutrons that are in the reactor, and that's done by materials called control rods. So these are special elements, special lumps of material. They're made of things like boron or hafnium or cadmium, and they're material that basically drops into the reactor core and, for want of a better word, gobbles up neutrons, takes the neutrons away from causing fission on uranium, and the amount of control rod you put in will determine how many neutrons are still available to go on and cause fission. If you put in too much control rod, you basically don't have any nuclear fission that happens. They steal all the neutrons. If you take all of the control rods out, then you would have an increased amount of fission. Most reactors actually wouldn't be able to make a bomb just because of the nature of the uranium fuel that's in there.